president, like the governor, the DPP, they enforce the law. It is, if you bring a charges against somebody in the court, this is the court now, you bring charges, right? You say, do it. Now let's look at what our law says. I think no, to mediate, to interpret the law, they don't enforce the law. The court cannot say, like, the court cannot investigate and arrest a person. That is not their duty. She understand. Every arm of government has their duty. The DPP is the one that makes who is a suspect, not the court. Court will never say that, bring Wunmi, Wunmi is a suspect, this and that. No. The parties in court, either the DPP or the defendant, if anybody nail Wunmi, let's say for example now they took prime board, they take Nurse to court, and Nurse say that, I want to confess, when I came Mohbad as passed, alright, Wunmi plan. Okay, in fact, alright, let Wunmi be investigated. Then my Lord will say, Wunmi should be investigated. Court cannot investigate Wunmi. Even if Wunmi comes to court, and Wunmi say, no, I don't know, the nurse is lying, no. Court will still have to take them back to investigation, to police. They will give them back to police. Police will still investigate, find something that Wunmi did, and then bring it to court for judgment. Court don't investigate. It is police duty to detect, to investigate, and to prevent crime. It is their duty to prevent crime in this country. It's their duty to investigate anybody. It's their duty to detect crime. Do you understand that? Alright, let's move further. Am I boring? Guys, am I boring? I'm trying to break things down. It's not easy to break things down because I love you guys and I want us to have the same understanding. Am I being boring? Am I bored? No. DPP will not be awarded compensation. But the DPP is a respondent to Joseph Aloba. Now let's continue. The Lagos High Court sitting in Ikeja has fixed July 2, 2025, next month, for his judgment in the application by the father of late singer Mohbad, Mr. Joseph Aloba, seeking permission to quash the DPP's legal advice and court proceeding, which freed Naira Marley and Sammy Larry on the allegation of being involved in Mohbad's death. Now, this is a little bit cumbersome. This is so much, but you have to bear with me when I read, alright? Because it's not easy. I have to read it to you and then break it down, alright? And this is one of my jobs that I've been doing on TikTok, and I'm happy to be doing it, to enlighten people. Today, most Nigerians do not understand their rights. They are breaking the law every now and then because they don't even know what is their right. They don't even know what the law says. But here am I trying to open our minds, say that we understand the position of the law from this case. Okay, so that when we are going to a different case, we'll go as somebody who has knowledge, somebody who has been through a previous case, and who understand how a criminal case is supposed to be resolved. So when we get to another case, then we'll be able to apply, we'll do it better. All right.
Papariano, before you continue, there's a question for you.
Go on.
Comment section.
I have answered it.
The person's
the waste of time, right? The waste of time.
No, who checkmates the DPP?
No, the DPP is checkmate by the Attorney General. DPP is like a boy to the Attorney General. Attorney General can give prosecution to anybody. Can say police prosecute. Can say if a private person want to come and prosecute this case, right? You have to write request for fiat from the Attorney General. They don't give it to you. They already have somebody who will do it on behalf of them. So, Attorney General is the one who checkmates the DPP. So, DPP is an officer of the Attorney General and the Commissioner of Justice of Lagos State. The only person who can also checkmate DPP in some cases, don't forget that Attorney General was employed by the governor. Attorney General is the legal team of the governor. He's the one representing the governor. Whenever you sue the governor or you sue Lagos, can tell him to reverse some certain order. They will cooperate. They work hand in hand. The three arms of government work hand in hand. Alright, but not the court. The court cannot review. Anybody who want to know why I'm using authority to speak, go and read the case of 1983, Ilori versus the state or versus Attorney General, and see, just type the Supreme Court judgment in the case of Ilori versus the Attorney General or the DPP, and it's already established as a precedence. So, I think that has answered that question. Now let's move further. Let's move further. We are breaking down everything. We are breaking down everything. And this is what I'm doing. Papariano, what are you doing? You're just wasting your time. You guys are, there's time for what to. If I want to curse you, I go curse you well, like you enter your bone. If I want to educate you, I go educate you well. So anyone where you want, now your hand is there. Okay? Alright, let's go. Let me reduce the boxes 1 minute. Let me reduce the boxes. People want to see some fighting. They want to see fighting. But it's okay. We must break this case down. Everybody tap on the screen. Please, let's take the like to 30K. Alright, yes. This is the time. Let us take the like to 30K. Everybody keep tapping. Tap. Let us take the likes to 30K. Everybody tap. Let's take the likes to 30K. Wow. I have spent exactly
31 now. 31K. We are in 31K now.
No. I see 30K. The likes. Likes were in 30. We are in 27.8. I don't know what you're seeing. Likes. Can you see? What are you seeing? The likes in this live stream.
Now 31.7K.
Wow. It's 27.
Yeah, I'm actually
27. It's 27 points. Now it's just 28. Now it's just 28.
You're in a different live stream. You're not in this live stream, please.
Oh, let me go.
Well, you are in a different live stream. Where are you seeing 30? It is 28. Let's go, everybody. Tap. I want to break this down. Break it down. Break it down completely. Alright, 20. It's remaining 1 point something. Let's go. Be quick, 2.5 left. Let's go, everybody. Why can't I see commentation? Go out of the live stream, then come back again and refresh your live stream. People are not tapping it, that's why. Oh God. Ibi en pa mi wala te mokura mi si baye. Àwọn èèyàn kò lè yé wọn. Wọn mọ̀ pé kí ni oní stress sometimes. Anyway, Ọlọ́run ló ṣe gbogbo. All right, everybody. Let's break things down. Let's break everything down. Breaking it down. All right, we are 30K. Okay, now everybody listen, please. The Lagos High Court, sitting in Ikeja, has fixed July 2, 2025 for its judgment in the application by the father of late singer Mohbad, Mr. Joseph Aloba, seeking permission to quash the DPP's legal advice and court proceeding, which freed Naira Marley, Sam Larry, and Prime Boy. Justice Taiwo Olatokun fixed the date after taking argument for and against the application from counsels representing the applicant. Applicant means the person that applied to court. That's applicant. Baba Mohbad is the one who applied to court. From the applicant, Mr. Joseph Aloba, through his senior advocate of Nigeria, Wahab Shitu. And from the other side, representing the DPP and Attorney General, Joke Amatri. This person, na Igbo and Yoruba, Joke Amatri, who represented the respondent. The respondent is the DPP and the Attorney General, all right? So now, the applicant, Mr. Joseph Aloba, is suing for and on behalf of the Aloba family, while the Attorney General of Lagos State and the Director of Public Prosecution are the respondents. Senior Advocate Wahab Shitu cited a lack of fair hearing as one of the grounds for the application. Can you see? The main reason why Baba Mohbad took DPP and Attorney General to court is for show off that I, as a carpenter, can take the DPP to court. Waste of public money. He wastes money. He will pay money to Sanshiru for this. Sanshiru collected money for this case, for this nonsense case. For this nonsense case, they paid money, public money. Just to go and show pride. What is the pride here? It means he wants to show that he has the right to be heard in court, just to be heard. Now, when you say the Constitution gives you the right to be heard in court, we can restore your right. What rights do you have? That's what I'm telling you. Yem. The son should have advised him, but don't forget that this is Nigeria. Most lawyers want money. Forget about people saying they have reputation. The whole son, forget they want money. Now, if you say because of reputation, son, Falana, don't he ask money? Don't he want money? Tell me son, Falana doesn't have reputation. Tell me somebody that he doesn't have reputation. Tell me that he's not a senior advocate. Nonsense. You have to understand this country. You have to understand this country by force. You people are full of emotion. This one, how can that man, as old as he is, how can he take bribe? But on the other side, as old, as rich, as wise as Sam Falana is, yet he defended Wunmi. Common sense you guys don't have. Common sense. I mean those fools, those kids. Now I will keep being here shouting. So now let me read for you the case. So we have on one side, we have Wahab Shitu. They did not mention Carpenter. It is not a case of Carpenter against the DPP. It is a case of the council representing the Aloba family. This particular case against the DPP and the Attorney General, represented by council, by baby lawyer from their ministry. They just sent one of their lawyers. I just go represent us. No, they are too busy. They felt too big. Don't forget they can represent themselves. They are lawyers now. But they just call one small lawyer. That's why this lawyer is not Sam. You see, this lawyer that represented DPP, Attorney General, is not even a son, just a lawyer. we have senior advocates versus just a lawyer. So that DPP and the Attorney General, if they come, they feel too big for Mohbad. You understand? They feel like, how can we be there? No. Let's send a small lawyer. Go and meet that man. Go and meet that man. Wherever they are. Guys, are you guys following up? I hope Joseph Aloba will rush out on Wednesday, next week Wednesday. I hope he will rush out and dance. Because now, don't come out and be blaming Koto. Joseph Aloba, when you come out on next week Wednesday, don't come and blame Koto. Because now you think you are winning, you are celebrating. It means the court is favoring you, right? Now court is favoring you, right? You are celebrating because I don't know what you are celebrating. But don't come and say that same court has now supported the DPP. Don't come and say so. Let us say that the court is the one doing the right thing, right? All right. So let's go. Make sure you're tapping the screen. Chantal, are you there? Are you listening? Chantal, are you there? Are you listening?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Okay, guys, we're about to enter the places and the right to be heard fairly. But Mohbad is complaining to the court that court, I have the right to be heard in this court. I'm a citizen of this nation. I want to sue Attorney General. I want to sue DPP. I want you guys to hear my complaint. And the court said, okay, you have the right to be heard, right? Bring your complaint. We'll invite the other party that you want. Then we'll hear you. You have that right to be heard in court, okay? It's not because you win. Nigeria gives you that right. Okay? So because you as freeing Miley Sam Larry and Prime Boy was too fast. That is preempted the proceeding of the corona inquest, which is yet to conclude. The side of Wahab Shito is that the second difference is that the decision of the DPP was too fast, that the inquest has not even ended and it's already deciding. All right, so according to them, that was not normal. Okay, that's according to them, they felt like that. They didn't quote any law. Sanshitu, when they quoted the first one, they cited law. Of the Constitution, Chapter 4, where you find the fundamental human right of every Nigerian. Chapter 4, Section 36. You sit there. You have the right for fair hearing, to be heard in a court of law. Every Nigerian, whether Dada Sanshitu, he noted that vital suspect mentioned and implicated in the coroner's proceeding have been freed by the DPP's legal advice. You see, this is where I was saying that, is this man sleeping? Is San sleeping? If somebody should wake San up, San said, Sam noted that vital suspect mentioned. Now, did the coroner at any point mention any vital suspect? Who is deciding who a suspect is? Is it Sanshitu? Under the executive arm of the government to declare a person a suspect. So I don't know where their witness in the coroner. They come to tell what they saw there. They are still witness. Who made them a suspect? You? Who made them a suspect? Baby lawyers. Mr. Alaba, okay, so let me say. So he noted that vital suspect mentioned and implicated. Imagine, mentioned and implicated by who? Who told you anybody was implicated? Yes, Anshitu. You are the one making up this. So you two, you are preempting Corona. I can strike you out for this. I will ask you, did Corona mention any suspects to you? Has Corona implicated anybody? Why are you thinking that Corona must implicate somebody or they have implicated somebody? Is it your job? You go and bring your evidence. You go bring them when time is. Whether now you go arrest suspect, we go know. Whether now DPP go do them and police, we go know. Whether your job is a job of a lawyer and a police and a DPP, I want to know it. Now let's continue. He noted that the vital suspects mentioned and implicated in the coroner's proceeding have been freed by the DPP. In their counter affidavit filed June 24, a legal assistant in the office of the suspect who were released by the legal by the legal lecture them. I want to lecture. Mohbad was just looking like this. I'll buy studio. I'm already a musician and I have fun. now one word there. Because this man came to public to lie to you guys again. But here's me breaking down everything. In the counter affidavit filed June 24, a legal assistant in the office of the DPP, Anyinde Ibrahim. This Anyinde Ibrahim the suspects who were released by the legal advice were not acquitted but were only discharged, Jari. That is, acquitted means it is not the end of the case. They only discharged them. Police is the one that brought them to us, that they have a hand in what killed Mohbad. And we look at it as a DPP. We didn't see any hand of Naira Marley Prime Boy and Sammy Larry in the death of Mohbad. That's what they said here. They were only discharged. And now let's see what they said again. They were lecturing them. See, one by one, just here. You say you have the right to fair hearing, right? No problem. Look at fair hearing. They were lecturing them point 1, point 2, point 3. Just like how you are writing dictation for a baby, for a little child to be. Westo go there and come out and change what is said there to siphon money from the public. But I said, no, these are the things that and make money from you guys unnecessarily. I said, no. If you want to give people money, give to them because you love them. Don't make up false things, lie, keep them. To mislead the public. The public want to gift you lion. Just be you, they will still gift you. They will still gift you. You like lie, go to inquest. Hey, fake it. You are for Baba. Lying, scamming you in the name of a dead body, 26 years old boy, swearing at people every day. Now, let me continue. In the counter affidavit filed June 24, a legal assistant of the office of the DPP, Anyinde Ibrahim, deposed that contrary to the submission of Mohbad's father, the suspects who were released by the legal advice were not acquitted, but were only discharged. Right, we've gotten that. Now he continued. The deponent said he was informed of the fact of the case by one Mr. Akinde Oluwaseun, a chief state counsel in the Directorate of Public Prosecution, which